Got him. Oh my God, Parker, monster. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This video, we're up in Canada, on Rainy Lake. Some nice smallmouth in here, a lot of walleye, nice pike too. So hopefully we can hook up. I'm trying to go after a walleye today, see if we can get lucky. I got bit. Oh, got one, almost. Just got bit. Got one.
You got.
No. Oh my God. It's following it.
What?
It took my tail off.
Yeah.
Huge
What?
pike.
Pike?
Huge pike.
This will cover it?
Dude, it took my tail off. I really want it.
Does it cover it?
Yeah.
What is bigger one?
Should have got the big one.
That one's huge.
Well, okay, one is big. Dude, you should have seen that pike. Literally ripped my tail off. I watched it. It was like right there.
Oh.
Dang
Oh my gosh.
it. You see that?
It's worth it. I'll pass out. Did you try it on good?
Dang it, dude. Okay.
Yeah.
Dang it. Oh yeah. Bit the tail off.
This thing sucks.
Pike. Pike, right here, Parker. Yeah. I know, I was over there. Got it! Right at the shore. Smalley. I saw it hit. That thing hit hard. Fell off. Bang! Let's go. Right at the shore. Nice Smalley. Probably 13 incher probably here. You know, maybe a pound. Nice belly. Let's get a nice release on this nice fish here. Bye, buddy. You go wherever you want. You should go. No, Parker, again, Parker. Oh my God. Parker, I literally got followed again. Got followed again, all the way up to the dock.
What?
Pike. Again! Parker, this bay right here, cast in there. Green cabin is there. Mars? Probably. Door?
Yeah.
Wait, Parker, okay, they're not biting out there though. The smallies have been right out at shore and the pike have followed all the way in the shore. So cast in that little thing, there's a little bit of weeds. Just make sure you roll, yeah. Just make sure you reel in just fast enough to get off the weeds. Oh my God, it hit it. Oh my God, it hit it. I watched it hit. Got him. Oh my God, Parker, Parker, monster! Monster! Yeah. Get your pole, get your pole.
Oh, look at the dog.
Over there is literally right in there, Parker.
Look at the dog.
I bet they're spawning right in there. I know.
Dude, that thing's huge. Where's your weight? Where's your weight thing? Where is it? Where is
Let's
it?
go.
Where is it?
Probably almost 2-pounder here.
Where?
It's inside here. I'll get it. 1.76. Almost 2-pounder here. What? 16 inches, guys. All right. 2 pounds, 16 inches. Right back in the water. Thank you, buddy. Dude, Parker, you're gonna hook up. I know you are. You can tie on anything pretty much you want too, as long as you just don't lose it. No. I mean, you can. Pike. Get him in that. Terrible net job, but got him. Pike, finally. Skinny one, but long. Give him some air. Parker, let's go, dude. I know you're gonna get one, dude. Just give it a little bit. All right. Let's see. Nice little pike. 25 probably inches. All right. Thank you, buddy. Right back in the water. God. There he goes. Nice. All right, 3-pound, 18-inch smallmouth here. New PB, back in the water. Nice. Just got bit. Oh. Oh, it's got bit. Fish. Monster pike. Monster pike. Monster pike. We get a measurement on him. 30 inches. 30-inch pike right here, guys. 30-inch, 5-pound pike here. New PB. Going back in the water. Put up a nice fight. Can live to see another day. Okay, dude. Why are you not recording, dude?
Because I wanted to see if my phone was charging. Where'd this thing come from?
All right.
Frank, do you know what this is from?
Another 2.5-pounder here.
Oh, I was pregnant.
Oh.
I was definitely side.
Another 2.5 pounder here. Looks nice.
Definitely.
Big belly. Probably 17, 18 inches. All right, another about 2.5 pounder, probably 18, 17 inches. Back in the water. All right, nice little smallie here. Right back in the water. Oh, there it goes. All right, just was casting out. My camera died, so couldn't get it on video. Almost 3 pounder, 2.78. Nice smallmouth here. Fought really hard, so yeah. All right, nice little almost 3 pounder here. Back in the water. There it goes.